Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the best electric hot pots available. Whether you're a hot pot enthusiast or new to this delicious cooking method, we've got the top picks for you. We'll break down features, performance, and value to help you find the perfect hot pot for your kitchen. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Dezin Non-Stick Electric Mini Hot Pot. Dezin's hot pot resembles a small saucepan, but instead of using a stovetop, you plug it in, turn a dial on the handle. It can boil broth for hot pot, heat water for pasta or ramen, and even function as a non-stick skillet for scrambling eggs, sautéing chicken, and more. This versatile tool is ideal for dorm rooms or any place with electricity but no full kitchen. Plus, it's exceptionally affordable. However, its compact size is a drawback. It holds only 1.5 liters, just enough for 2 people if you're careful. It also has only 2 temperature settings, low for simmering/slow cooking and high for boiling/sautéing. Despite these limitations, the Dezin hot pot offers excellent value for its price. With a food-grade non-stick coating, this hot pot can handle a variety of meals, including whole eggs, ramen, fried rice, oatmeal, steaks, noodles, chicken, and more. Its compact design makes it perfect for dorm rooms, small apartments, tailgates, and road trips. It's easy to clean, simple to use, and available at a great price, making it a great gift for yourself or someone you know. Number 2. Food Party Duo Electric Smokeless Grill and Hot Pot. This appliance is large, but its multifunctionality more than makes up for the size. It features a circular grilling area on the outside and dual bowls in the center, allowing you to grill and use the hot pot simultaneously. Separate temperature dials let you control the grilling and hot pot areas independently. With about 3.5 inches of grilling space and double bowls that can hold around 2 liters of liquid, this appliance is versatile and practical. Plus, all parts are removable for easy cleaning. You can purchase just the machine, but we prefer the version that includes tongs, 2 oil brushes, parchment paper, and a recipe book, which are all easier to store than the hot pot itself. The dual bowl cooking pot, equipped with a silicone brush and tongs, is perfect for hosting a medium-sized dinner gathering with an Asian touch. The slow-cooking hot pot is designed for easy cleaning and can be fully immersed in water to remove oil and food residue. Pros: BPA and PFOA-free model, separate controls, comes with accessories, separate barbecue and hot pot controls. Cons: frequently cuts off. Number 3. Aroma Housewares Stainless Steel Hot Pot. If different eaters prefer varying spice levels, this traditional dual-bowl hot pot is perfect, allowing you to cook 2 types of soup simultaneously. You can simmer a spicy Szechuan or Mongolian base in one compartment for spice lovers and a milder Beijing-style broth in the other for kids or those with lower heat tolerance. The total capacity is 5 quarts, providing ample space for a larger group. The ASP600 boasts an impressive 1,500 watts of power and 5 different heat settings to ensure your broths are bubbling without boiling over. However, some users note that the 2 bowls heat at different rates, with the smaller inner one boiling faster. The bowls are not separable, so you'll need to fill both even if using just one broth. The lid features a steam vent, allowing you to steam dumplings, and both the lid and the pot are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, ideal for families or dinner parties. This hot pot's 5-quart capacity ensures ample cooking space, and its leak-free design keeps each broth separate. The cooking pot is also removable for easy care and cleaning. With adjustable heat controls, you can cook your broth and soups at your preferred temperature. Number 4. Food Party 2-in-1 Electric Smokeless Grill and Hot Pot. Get ready for Chinese hot pot, shabu-shabu, and Korean barbecue with the 2-in-1 smokeless grill and hot pot from Food Party. This versatile cooker is sold as part of a bundle that includes a silicone brush, cooking tongs, parchment paper, and recipe ideas. The center hot pot features a dual action and split design, allowing you to cook multiple berths at once, perfect for families and large parties with varied menus. You can use the hot pot and grill simultaneously, enabling you to prepare a large dinner quickly. Cleaning is simple. Place the entire unit in the sink, fill it with water and soap, and wash it by hand. The bundle includes essential cooking tools and accessories, ensuring you have everything you need for a fantastic dining experience. Key features: use both the hot pot and grill simultaneously. Cook 2 broths at once to cater to different tastes. Perfect for large families and dinner parties. This appliance is designed for convenience. Number 5. Aroma Houseware's 5-quart dual-sided shabu hot pot. This large electric hot pot is made from stainless steel, a material that heats quickly. Its lightweight pot features cool touch handles and is removable from the sturdy base. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. We appreciate that this pot is dual-sided, allowing you to make 2 different broths simultaneously. However, the divider is not removable, so you can't make one large pot. If your family and friends have different hot pot soup base preferences, spicy versus non-spicy, this dual-sided design is perfect. It's important to note that you cannot sauté directly in this pot, unlike some other models. According to Fang, this hot pot offers excellent value for the price. It's affordable, heats up quickly, is incredibly easy to use and clean, and is very lightweight. Its compact size makes it ideal for storing in small apartments with limited storage space. The only downsides are the non-removable divider, which prevents making a single large dish, and the inability to sauté directly in the pot.